What's going on, you guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. Thank you for tuning into my live stream. It's 10 o'clock. It's 10:01 actually. We're 1 minute late. Oh no. Good morning, guys. Excuse me. Big shout out to Mrs. Sammy Swing Trade for that big donation before the stream even started. Thank you so much. That's an awesome start to this week. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. And I will be getting some more tea. But for now, excuse me, we've got the pot of tea going. Okay, so let me just shrink myself a little bit more, just as we don't need to be that big. And I got to talk about one quick thing here. Let's see here. Got to put this in the start of our stream. Our Teachable. So we've got 6 courses up for sale on Teachable now: strategy, mindset, cannabis, real estate, cash flow, and technicals. Feel free to check them out. It consists of videos, PDFs. I put a lot of time into those. Feel free to check them out. And that's pretty much it. So got a zillion tabs open here, so let me just close off some of these, and then we will get straight into this. I was just looking at a whole bunch of stuff last night and listening to some music and whatnot. So let me pull up those comments, and then we're good to go. Whoa. Bam is halted. Can you guys see me now? Hexa's in the pipeline right now, testing its new high. What's up, Four Seasons? What's up, Teacup? So yeah, once again, big shout out to Mrs. Sammy Swing Trade. You're so awesome. Time for a shot of tea. So first thing, let's just take a quick look. S&P hits record high on upbeat consumer spending. Then we're going to take a look at the cannabis stocks. Let's see. RC Spark Studio, what's going on? Still can't see you in your teapot. I don't know, man. What's up with the connection? Oh yeah, don't forget to smash that like button, guys. That's the last thing I ask for. Sorry guys, I've been a little bit sick, so if I'm coughing or whatever, that's the reason. Kieran, second biggest gainer. Match Capital. Canna One Tech up 10.4%. Okay. I will. FSD Pharma, 27 cents. Shout out to Max, up 1.5 cents. FSD's coming back. That was a rumor in terms of the buyout for Namaste. The reason Namaste went up was because they provided a massive update on the company. So, I don't know about that one. Well, that's a tough one. Let's take a look at Hexo, up almost 3% to 10 something. We'll look at that. Let's see what's Golden Leaf Holdings yield growth. Namaste down 6.8%. I knew it would eventually sell off. Hopefully it holds on to some of those gains. Future Farm Tech down to 17 cents. Fresh 52-week lows. Or are the 52-week lows for Future Farm Tech? No, it's 16.5 cents. Water's down 1.6% to $3. 360 risk flat. Alright, so someone said Body and Mind is halted. We'll have to take a look at that. ICC International Cannabis, and Hexo. So, no, Ron. I've been sick, man. I've been sick and still hitting the gym. That's what's up. Trying to sip some tea, recover, and get back in the swing of things. Yeah, I gotta. Trying. So, anyways, tea sickness. No, man, it's not the tea sickness. It's the damn Canadian crap weather sickness. It's weather can't make up its mind. So, just taking a look at body and mind. This thing finally came down. I knew it was gonna come down eventually. 350. The stock went up to almost $4 and then plummeted 21%. So we'll see where this thing's going from here. Volumes stayed pretty consistent. I don't know if there's any recent news. Let's take a quick look, see if there's any recent news for body and mind. Yeah, so should you buy the dip in body and mind? Let's see this one. Supplements I recommend for the gym. Best supplement I've tried so far, Purple K, Pre-Alkaline. Biggest strength gains I've seen. And then just protein glutamine. That's all I use, man. Au naturel. I'm in Canada, also Alberta. I'm not saying too much here, but have been watching your videos to learn as a newbie. I find these helpful. Well, that's good, man. Thank you. Thank you. So yeah, about workout supplements, man. Purple K, Pre-Alkaline, glutamine, protein, and then just your vitamins and stuff. Vitamins are important too. What's up, Nevada? One question that may be on our minds of OTC traders as we look forward to the new week, whether or not to buy the dip in shares of body and mind. The stock's pulled back about 38% from its highs, but it's had a 400% run. The new facility is approximately 7,500 square feet and is anticipated to be operational within 90 days, pending license transfer approvals from local state and authorities. So this is one pretty interesting article about body and mind. That's all I could really find 1 hour ago. Analysts feel this stock can be a game changer, body and mind. There's a couple things out there. Oh no, Stockhouse. Yeah, so we'll look at MedMen in just a sec. Don't worry, we still own some MedMen. I haven't sold any MedMen. I'm still holding on to that one. Oh, you know what? The hell? We forgot to post the link to this stream in our Discord group. Let's do this, guys. We're not on the ball. But we did get a new thumbnail. Smash that like button. Okay, here we go. Discord. Holy crap, I can't even type. What's up, Max? FSD's up though. FSD's up to 77 cents. 27 cents. Oh shoot. Wow, thank you. Already posted the link to the Discord. You're awesome, buddy. Thank you, Ashton. MetaPharm Labs appoints former Johnson & Johnson Group product director as chief strategy officer. Man, ACB needs a Johnson & Johnson deal. What's going on here? Origin House generates Q4 revenue of 7.9 million. Canopy Growth secures New York facility for hemp industrial park. We'll read that in a sec too. Understanding the recent blockbuster deal for Acreage Holdings and Canopy. Organigram's gonna list on the NASDAQ, so that's good news for them. What's up, Nick? What's up, Gary? Yeah, Ashton, I see that, buddy. Appreciate that. So, Hexo's looking to run to $11. I know, right? Tell me about it. That J&J deal with ACB would be awesome. All right. So, Hexo's up 4.39% today. I hate to say it, guys, but eventually I think Hexo's going to pull back too. It's been on a nice tear, but it's up 25% recently. So I think we're going to get some kind of pullback eventually. Excuse me. I'm just amazed how much the markets have ran. Aphria just keeps falling. I feel like I'm cursed. Everything I invest in goes the other way. I feel like a barometer of... Hey, man. What's up, David? RC Sparks. Which stocks did you invest in? I used to feel like that at one point when I was investing. Not to fear, my friend. You just got to be patient. It's not always, yeah. So, Canon One Technologies up 10%. Let's figure out why. Aphria, Vanguard, and a few others. Thank you for your patience and advice. Yeah, man. I mean, you could be holding a lot worse companies. Aphria's not really that bad of a company. Cana One secures formal 500K financing, partnership deal. This is kind of old news. Proposed financing. That was on the 25th, Thursday. I don't really follow Cana One that much, but we'll take a look at Aphria just for you, because I haven't looked at Aphria in a little while. Aphria's down to 9, into the 9s now, eh? 994.5. I think you'll see some support soon. I believe you'll see some support, like 980 was what I said Aphria could fall to. Hopefully it holds on right now. The cheaper Aphria gets, though, hopefully someone buys them out. That's what I'd be waiting for. Aphria is a buyout target, in my opinion. Firefly. Firefly. What do you mean by Firefly? Okay, next stock. Namaste. What's up, boy? You trash. Good morning, man. Everybody's here today. We got almost 100 viewers. My viewership is back. Must be the new thumbnail, though. I had to change up my thumbnails. They were getting a little boring. Figured you guys would like these ones a little bit more. So Namaste actually touched $1. not too long ago. But we're back down to 82 cents. Right now, I hope Namaste holds on to 80 cents. They did release that massive update, but I hope that they don't go silent, because my only concern with Namaste is, they release the new update and then they go silent again. Things going to start to sell off again. So I hope not. What we need from Namaste now is financials. That would be nice. FFT down 17 cents. The thing is, I've been sick. I'm getting better. So that's what's happening. I was much sicker with a sore throat. Now I've just got some congestion. It's a little bit annoying that I'm coughing for you guys, but I'm getting better. I'm on the mend. And I shot 2 more videos, so I'm dropping 2 videos about Aurora. Got some interesting news about Aurora coming out later this day and tomorrow. So we'll be all right. S&P hits record high on upbeat consumer spending, earnings optimism. Hit another all-time high for the first time since late September on Monday. Upbeat consumer spending. So there was a post in our Discord group about earnings season and the big companies that are reporting this week. So we've got a bunch of stuff. We've got a bunch of companies reporting this week. 100 push-ups, you'll be fine. Rub a little dirt on it. That's right, man. Ain't no time. That's a funny video. What do we got here, Doug? What the hell's this? Oh, yeah, that was a really funny comment. Here, this is what I was looking for, guys. Perfect. So, Monday before the bell, we've got Spotify after the bell, Google. So today's Google earnings. AK Steel, Western Digital. Don't really care. Google earnings. Tomorrow's going to be big. And then tomorrow, before the open, we've got GE, Spotify, or Shopify, McDonald's, MasterCard, Pfizer, BP. Tomorrow's going to be a big day. After the bell, Apple, AMD. Wednesday, Garmin, ADP, Estee Lauder. After the close, Square, Qualcomm. What else we got here? Thursday, nothing too exciting. Planet Fitness. So, tons of earnings this week. Here's a hit. Cheap Trick, ain't that a shame? Shopify has been retailing the nuggets up north, right? That is correct. Shopify, very interesting company. I remember looking at that company when it was right around $100. Geez, what are they at now? $300. Insane. This is the one tech company that I regret not investing into. We can't win them all, but holy, did this thing fly. Sorry, Shopify around 150. I would believe it was 120 US was that when I was looking at it, but it's insane. But it's a success. I mean, it's a great success. All right. Got to check in on our other portfolios real quick. Premier Gold Mines up 7%. Focus Graphite up 33.3%. Copper today is not doing too much. Copper Mountain Mining up 2%. First Quantum Linden. Ron, if you're still in the group, what do you think, or if you're still in the stream, what do you think about those that 6% dip in shares of Turquoise Hill Resources? Are you adding? Capital Power, Centric Health Corp, Extendicare. Yeah, Turquoise Hill's down to almost $2. I'm looking to potentially add a little bit more on this dip. I noticed that 6% sell-off, but there wasn't really any reason why. Did you find any news about it? Let me know if you did. I was trying to figure out why. I believe it was on Friday. Or no, I was trying to figure out on Saturday why the stock dropped another 6%. Because I looked in my portfolio last night, and I'm up 30% on Linden already. 30% on Linden, 22% on Copper Mountain Mining, and I'm down about 10% on Turquoise Hill. So it might be one to look at. Ooh. Defensive-wise, Rogers, Northwest Healthcare Properties, nothing too crazy today. Stocks for 2019. This is our broader watch list. Suneva's up 4%, back over $5. That's one to look at. FSD Pharma, 26.5 cents. You're right, Max. JD.com, back up to almost $30. Savary Corporation. Oh, look, what do you know, guys? Alkaline Water's in the green already. This thing's not doing anything, to be honest. It's just hovering around $3. So I'm just waiting for Alkaline Water to finally do something. Other than that, I believe it's Aphria Health that reports or reported today. Let's check. Here we go. This is what we want. Aphria Health plus Emblem earnings rise 327% for 2018 in pro forma numbers. Reported 2018 total revenue was $3.3 million versus zero in 2017. The pro forma combined Aphria Health and Emblem revenues in 2018 were $11.3 million, an increase of 327% over a year combined. Aphria Health and Emblem 2018 revenues of $2.7 million. 2018 saw Aphria Health build the foundation for breakthrough 2019 and beyond. We believe our strategically placed asset, strong management team, and distribution channels will allow us to scale our global mission for growing, processing, and selling high-margin, value-added cannabis, health, and wellness products. Looking ahead. In the company statement, Aphria said that it has anticipated expansion of its 3 production facilities, should reach an annual production capacity of 130,000 kgs of dried flower and extraction capacity of 50,000 kgs. The automated Niagara greenhouse is now in a plant-ready state. The company received local zoning approval for 26-acre low-cost outdoor grow on. So lots of updates for Aphria Health, but the stock is down 3% already. BAM is halted, guys. BAM is halted. Let's take a look. I wonder when it's going to reopen. What do you think is going to happen to BAM today? Do you think we're going to get, or do you think this stock's going to open at 10:30? 5 more minutes. We'll see what happens. We'll see, man. Sorry about that, guys. I'm blowing my nose and stuff all day. All right, so we've got a few articles. Let's just skim through these. Organigram announces application to list on NASDAQ. We kind of already talked about this. This was on Friday. Parent company of Organigram, a leading licensed producer of cannabis, announced today it has applied to list its common shares on the NYSE. So let's see how that's affecting Organigram. Let's go. It's up 6% today. When was this news released? This news was released at 6:40 p.m. So this is the market reaction. Organigram's up 6%, and Organigram's 52-week high of 10.03. It's still not there yet. I think Organigram's got a little more room to run, but I wouldn't like buying these stocks so late into a run, personally. Next, understanding the recent blockbuster cannabis deal between Canopy Growth and Acreage Holdings. We're not going to read this whole thing, but we'll skim the points. Day one of Bazinga's Cannabis Capital Conference in Toronto earlier this month, John Narajan, who was moderating a late afternoon panel that included the CEO of several multi-state operators, broke some news that was stunning. By the way, I'm going to be doing some panel in Toronto, not at this one, but at an upcoming cannabis conference. Let's see what they said. Canopy Growth is buying Acreage Holdings for $2 billion. The next morning, the company's press released their deal, which wasn't and couldn't be what Narajan had described, as the price would have been too low and an acquisition would cost Canopy its TSX and NYSE listing. I don't feel like reading this whole thing. I'm gonna let you guys read it if you feel like it. So there you go. Okay, and then what else we got here? There was one other article I wanted to read. Canopy Growth secures New York facility for hemp industrial park. Why all the screaming caps? Oh. Max just likes to talk in caps. Don't worry, man. Max is cool. Max brought me free weed at the Cannabis Expo. You're awesome, buddy. Oh, by the way, my buddy really likes that Blue Rhino. Same here, I do too. But that Blue Rhino stuff, that's good quality. That's good quality product, to say the least. I appreciate it, Max. Thank you. Still got some left. Yeah, Max is awesome. But cap locks are stuck on, but it's okay. New York Hemp Industrial Park update. So this is actually some pretty interesting news. Canopy will transform the approximately spotless former vacuum parts building this summer in Kirkwood, New York, for previously announced Hemp Industrial Park. It's pleased to announce another key milestone in establishing its Hemp Industrial Park in Southern Tier region of New York State. The company has secured 308,000 square feet on a 48-acre property in Kirkwood, New York. Design activities will commence immediately, with construction commencing this summer. The vision for the property is to build infrastructure necessary to support hemp-derived cannabinoid extraction and related manufacturing technology, together with providing an opportunity for participation by other businesses in the hemp industry. So, we'll just read this green stuff, and then we'll be on with it. Okay. As we establish a stronger foothold in the exciting U.S. market, we want to do so in a way that prioritizes local vendors and creates meaningful career opportunities for people in the communities where we operate. The vision of our investment is to create an ecosystem that inspires new entrepreneurs and generates more economic stimulus than a single company can offer. We'll get to MedMen right after this. As we build the facilities, we also like-minded businesses who share our excitement for the exciting hemp and hemp-derived CBD markets. Cool, so Canopy doing their thing. industry leader in some aspects. Suniva up 4.64%. Suniva has had a nice and steady chart. Suniva's one of the only stocks right now that I think is still fairly valued that hasn't exploded yet. I think Suniva's got lots of room to run. At least to $8 to $10 over the next couple months if the market holds up. That's one stock I just wanted to talk about real quick. Okay, so let's take a look at MedMen. We'll see if we can find any recent news for MedMen too. Been growing 27 years now. Number one problems, no cure. King Ridge. Oh man, that's pretty annoying, man. They do random tests like that. Give me 1 sec. I just want to. All right, we're back. Yeah, so MedMen. This is a question that I really wish I knew all the answers to. But let's see what the recent articles came out about MedMen say. We got one day ago, one 5 hours ago. We'll take a look at the stock, try and figure out, see what's going on with it. So 2 articles out about MedMen. Currently we're trading at $3.71. Yeah, Steven. Hopefully. So yeah, personally, as long as MedMen holds on to 360, around 360 is when I start to get worried when it comes to MedMen. But I do believe in the company. It's tested 360 multiple times. Hasn't done too much after selling off a little bit from the recent management change. But let's just take a look and see what these 2 articles say about MedMen. So one analyst has nothing but buy ratings for U.S. marijuana stocks. So let's get straight to MedMen. As cannabis stocks bounce back this year from their fall funk, some have bounced higher than others, much higher. As we know, the divergence is quite striking among stocks of companies that sell marijuana in the U.S., where it is legal under the laws of some states but remains illegal under federal law. Curaleaf Holdings has doubled since December, while shares of glamorous MedMen have slid 15%. Here we go. Barron's has suggested that investors tread carefully in the American weed patch, wondering if the pot business was separating the buds from the stems. We touched base with one of a few brokerage analysts who covers American pot stocks, Robert Fagan at Toronto GMP Securities. Weed's illegality under U.S. federal law keeps large investment banks and stock exchanges away from the stocks of American multi-state operators, or MSOs, obliging the companies to list on the less liquid Canadian Securities Exchange and with the U.S. OTC market group. That gives us a window of opportunity to be the go-to broker on the MSO names, says GMP analyst. MedMen stock has suffered from a turnover among its top executives, as we know, including Chief Financial Officer, Chief Operating Officer, and its General Counsel, notes Fagan, I don't know. It has put up robust revenues, but with its high operating expenses, MedMen is also running big negative cash flows that it must fund with repeated financings. The LA-based chain has 23 stores up and running and will add 10 more when it closes an acquisition deal with rival PharmaCann. MedMen isn't among the 5 MSOs that Fagan covers, as it happens, but another underperforming pot stock is Ianthus Capital Holdings. So why are they talking about it if they're not covering them? Winners and losers. So MedMen is the biggest loser of those 5 stocks. As cannabis stocks bounce back this year from hot... Oh yeah, so that's it. That's all this article has to say about MedMen. Oh, jeez. Sure, man. Toss a link or PM me. Thanks for all the suggestions, guys. Why did top executives at MedMen quit? So this was written by Alexandra Hicks. Who the heck is this? So CBD, she's written stuff about California pension fund investment in cannabis. I guess she's a writer. CBDtesters.co. How long is this article? Not very long. Okay, let's see what this person has to say. I don't know how much credible of a source this is, but total of 3 high-level execs at MedMen, a Southern California-based company, have quit alleged claims of financial duress, racism, homophobia, and misogyny. COO Ben Cook, Senior Vice President of Corporate Communications Daniel Lee. Stephen Lee. Daniel Lee quit. Sorry, I'm just messing around. You guys got the same last name. And General Counsel Lisa Sergey, all of whom served on the company's board, have recently resigned. Additionally, a few members of the company's technology and design teams were let go. MedMen is shuffling its employees around in an attempt to become more efficient. We appreciate the contributions of all current and former MedMen team members as we work to build the world's leading cannabis company. We heard all this already. The company operates 19 facilities in 5 different states: Arizona, California, Florida, Nevada, and New York. Multi-state cannabis companies. The facilities range from cultivation and retail and employ over 1,000 people. Yeah, I don't know, man. They messed that up. My bad. I'm just making jokes. The current employee shakedown follows a wrongful dismissal lawsuit filed by former Chief Financial Officer James Parker, who was detailed examples of overspending and a hostile work environment. According to Parker's suit, the work environment was replete with racial, homophobic, misogynistic epithets and slurs, drug and alcohol abuse, personal humiliation occasioned by the words and deeds of the CEO and president of the company. So, MedMen is, it kind of sounds like Mad Men. It's kind of like a bullpen, you know? They just kind of Wolf of Wall Street style of business. MedMen claims the lawsuit is unsustained and denies all allegations. We have reached out to the company for further comments and will update the article with their reply. So, that's absolutely nothing new for MedMen. We kind of knew all that stuff, so no real new news for MedMen. But at 370, honestly, despite their management issues, I still believe in the company. And you know what? Personally, it's not like this doesn't happen with other companies. Usually it just doesn't get out, so what can I say? I'm still gonna hold on to MedMen. Let's see what else we got here. Take a look at a few more things. Oil and gas, not doing too much today. REITs, not doing too much. U.S. banks. Bank of America is up 2%. Wow, Bank of America is at $31. Bank of America has performed pretty good recently. And take a quick look at commodities. We will copper. Okay, so gold, silver's down. Crude oil. Palladium's down 4.81%. Palladium's tanking hard today. Yeah, let's take a look at copper in just 1 second. Palladium has been in free fall mode recently. Palladium's been sky high for quite a little while though. just can't wait until this damn runny nose goes away. I'll be good to go. Sorry if it's annoying into the microphone, guys. Try not to do it. Give me 1 sec. I'll mute the mic here. There we go. Should be good for another few minutes. So copper's at 288.8. But copper's held on pretty good recently. Let's just quickly pull up this chart. Copper's been trending sideways after it almost touched 3. We were so close. Sold off a little bit. The US dollar has been extremely high too. Copper looks like it could sell off a tiny bit more. Maybe to 285. But what really needs to happen is the US dollar needs to pull back. But I'm long copper, yes sir. 98.06 on the US dollar though. Big shout out to Mrs. Sammy Swing Trade. Your super chat was very unexpected and it brightened my morning, so thank you so much, Mrs. Sammy Swing Trade. You're very much appreciated. So that would be a really funny video. King Ridge. So anyways guys, we've got about 10-15 minutes left, so let me know if you guys want to look at any other companies, because we pretty much covered the news for the day. You know, we've got the update on the Canopy facility, the markets, commodities, pretty much everything. I didn't cover crypto yet though. Sproutly. All right, cool. And MedMen. We tried to find some news on MedMen. Commodities, different portfolios. You know what? One thing we can do though is can post the link to our Discord group. Give me 1 second here, guys. Just want to open a new window, and then I'll look at Sproutly. No problem, Jordan. Yeah, London. Honestly, when I look at a sector though, I like to look at multiple companies. So I'm happy that you didn't just pick one of those, because when I moved into copper, it was like I picked a couple. So
the latest Fabletics leggings are here. Right.
Look, guys, they're advertising leggings on my channel still. So don't forget to hit that like button. Nice. Nice. Going into the matrix now. So I'm just going to quickly post a link to our Discord group so anybody new. There's the link. Look at that. We got one picture of me sipping on tea. Oh my goodness. Eves Gallagher. So, anybody here do crypto? Personally, I don't do anything regarding crypto except for some crypto mining stocks that I still have left that I've pretty much written off. Damn crypto. What's up, Jacob? Thank you. Sorry, Nick. I haven't forgotten about that, Sproutly. There we go. So, I like Sproutly because they're in the beverage market. I had a pretty good weekend. Got a little bit sick. Had some fun on Thursday night. But we're good. Getting better. On the mend. On the mend. Sproutly looks like it's going to keep moving higher, to be honest. I heard there's rumors that they were going to get a beverage deal by the end of this month. So, charts look pretty good. Doesn't look like it's gone into a downtrend. Technicals on the stock are neutral. ACB earnings should be coming up soon. I need to find that exact date, and I gotta find it soon because that day is gonna be a big day on YouTube. A lot of people are gonna tune in for the live stream, so I need to cover that 100%. Suniva earnings coming out today. Let's take a quick look. Or are they already out? Suniva's up 4.5%. Let's see. That's April 5th. Suniva sees revenue Q1 at 14 million. New cannabis ventures. Where are the earnings? Release date April 29th, 2019. Yes, you're right. After the bell, more than likely. Great. Well, the stock's up 4.2% already. So, but back to Sproutly, Nick. I don't really have too much to say about it. I mean, in terms of the chart, it looks good. It's made a little bit of a bounce. It hasn't gone into a downtrend. The volume on the recent move up's been all right. This recent move. And I'm bullish on the beverage market. So the stock's definitely seen a run already from 40 cents to well over $1, but I think it could go higher. I've read some really great news on Sproutly, but do your research. When is BAM going to start trading again? I want to see this thing. It's still halted. We'll cover it in our next video. But, so guys, feel free to drop any more requests if there's anything that you guys are looking at today. We're a community, so we like to look at each other's picks or what we're interested, give our opinion. That's what I want. Cube. All right, let's take a look at Cube. Cell Cube energy storage systems. Is that what we're talking about? 12 cents. Let's see what they do. This is a new company. I've never looked at them before, so let's see. Canada-based company engaged in storage, battery manufacturing sector. Sold Disney today for a 25% gain. Company is focused to deliver vertically integrated energy storage solutions to utility and independent power producers for both standalone energy storage products as well as projects where energy storage enhances the value position for renewable energy generation. Cool. A tech energy company. I love the energy sector. Not the oil and gas sector, but the utility sector. Let's see how the stock's performed. Looks to be on sale. It's been trading since 2014. We've seen highs as almost 80 cents. Currently trading at 12 cents right now. Very interesting company. So, good morning, Steven. My next video, going postal. My next video, I'll probably shoot it. I'm either going to shoot it at 4 and drop it at 5, or I'm going to shoot it at 1, drop it at 1:30, and it will be a stock market recap. So hopefully Body and Mind will be trading by then. Can cover that. Any movers. It's like an afternoon update on the stock market. It's my my market minute video. 360 earnings today or 2 also. Man, Mike, we better get those earnings for 360 risk because I'm waiting on those. 100%. Smash the like button. You know what, guys? We haven't hit the naughty button in a while. Naughty. Gotta hit the naughty button for 360 risk. I checked my portfolio last night. Holy crap. Down 30% on 360. One of my positions. I recently bought it again at 38 cents, so I'm not really that sad, but in the one account I was looking and I'm just like 30%. Yeah, we're down to 36.5 cents. Man. Yes, sir. We're talking Eastern Standard Time. So probably what I'll do is I'm going to release an Aurora Cannabis video around 1. And then I'll release that video around 4 or 5. Aurora Cannabis had some tons more news out. I made 2 videos on it. So I'll upload right now. Get that up as soon as possible. I might release it in an hour or less, actually. Do you guys want to see an Aurora video in the next hour? Let me know. Press 1 for yes and press 2 for no. Did not talk about Valence Grow Works, but yeah, tell me about it. That stock's been doing awesome, but they're in an agreement with Hexo, right? Yeah. "23 hours ago, Aurora Cannabis signs deal with N-Wave," so that was the big deal. That's what we're gonna talk about. Wail SF. It's tea, bro. It's tea. I'll get it up as soon as possible. That's great. Ron's an ACB hater. I've talked a bit about water. It's just holding on to $3. Not doing too much. We need some more news about the company. But it's in the green today, up 0.98%. So, last thing of the day, guys. Here, we're just gonna quickly go to our documents. Let's see if we can find it. This should be it. That is not it. Let's see if I can find this. Come on, man. Nope. That is not what we want. I'm just trying to find this one document here real quick. Nope. No, it's just for new videos. I'm just trying to get some new video ideas. I want to put out some new interesting videos. I have a funny question. Would you guys actually watch a video of me making tea? Because I almost shot that last night. I like it, Ron. You're straight up. I appreciate that. You just tell it how it is. That's cool. Thanks for no BS. All right. So, Ron, if there's anything else you want me to take a look at, please let me know. I'll be here for a couple more minutes. So, yeah. Any companies you're looking at this week? You always got some cool, interesting picks. Or anybody else. The tea tutorial would be pretty funny. I'm gonna have to do it. Shoot that in my kitchen. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay out like 10 different kinds of tea and talk about them, tell you guys how I make it. Do like a 5 to 10 minute video, just for fun. Otherwise, guys, feel free to request any more stocks you want to look at. Otherwise, I'm gonna bounce soon. Get that other video out for you guys, and work on some new content. That's what it's all about. The daily grind. The daily grind of trying to find that next million view video. All right. Namaste. Mrs. Sammy Swing Trade. So I don't have any new news for Namaste. The only thing I gotta say is the report they put out was awesome, but it's a great update. My concern is that the news goes quiet again, and then the stock starts to tank again. What I think they should have done is had, maybe they do, multiple press releases ready to come out to support the stock down the road. Because one report's not going to fix what's happened. So I'm in Lorenzo. The shorts are paying 34% interest. I hope EMMJ is halted all day. What else we got here? Hexo. Hexo's at all-time highs. I'm not a buyer, but good for Hexo. And yeah, we're just going to wait till Body and Mind opens. Or stops being halted. No problem, man. I'm on the mend. Don't worry. Sore throat's gone. That was my biggest concern, was the sore throat. Now it's just congestion. It's all good to go. So anyways, guys, it's almost 11 o'clock, so I'm going to head out soon. Yes, no sugar. Don't worry. Only sugar I'll have is maybe some honey. But anyways, guys, I'm going to head out. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, Miss Sammy Swing Trade, for that awesome super chat once again. We'll be releasing that ACB video very soon. So thank you guys. Have a good day. We'll see you soon.